Hello everyone and welcome back to Queenvarieties channel. On today's episode I'll be sharing fried rice recipe made with cabbage. You're going to love the awesome flavor that comes from this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on your bell notifications for instant prompts each time I upload new video. For this food preparation, I'm using super basmati cellar rice. I have washed that few hours before the cooking time. You will also need fresh garlic, basil, onions, spring onions, fresh rosemary, bonnet peppers and green chili. All these ingredients I mentioned right now, we are going ahead to prep them. You will dice the onions, peppers and spring onions and set it aside. For the spring onion, I will just set out the green section and prepare the white area. So for the bonnet peppers, garlic, rosemary and fresh basil, I have thrown into the food processor to have it crushed down. The idea here is to infuse herbs into your fried rice for best outcome. I have added coconut oil into the pot. Next, the onions and the minced ingredients I will toast for 5 good minutes. After 5 minutes, it becomes translucent. I'll add curry powder and turmeric for extra 1 minute and bring in the rice. For the rice, the longer you toast it, the better. I will infuse salt and seasoning cubes into it. Ten minutes later, the outcome of the rice is perfect. You can see it looks like it's popping like popcorn. That's exactly what you want to have. Pour in the chicken stock right into the pot, mix to combine, cover the pot and cook on the highest heat for 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes later, I open up the pot and fluff the rice a little bit. Once done, I'm going to use my cling film or foil to cover the pot. Here, reduce the heat to the lowest and then cook this for exactly 20 good minutes. While the rice is cooking, we are going to prep the following items: some sausage, bell peppers, cabbage, which is the chief ingredient for this recipe, and of course some carrots. Set that aside until it is required. Other ingredients, you will need some beef and also peas. 20 minutes later, I came back to the rice to fluff it once again. When you're making fried rice and jollof rice, in fact, you have to stir. So here I have stirred well and covered it again. I'm giving it extra 10 good minutes to complete its cooking process. Into another pot, I have added coconut oil. We are going to fry the beef until it is brown. Place smells incredibly awesome. I've also gone ahead to add the sausage, some of the chili peppers and onions and the leftover ingredients I had in the food processor. You're going to fry for exactly 2 to 3 good minutes. 3 minutes later, I bring in the carrots and toast for 1 to 2 minutes. I have sprinkled in some salt, added some peas, and here I have sprinkled some spices: Aromat, mixed spices and dry rosemary and thyme. This is the right time to bring in the bell pepper and the fresh cabbage. Toast for exactly 2 extra minutes. The idea here is to stir fry the vegetables and not to overcook it, okay? You want everything to be super crunchy and yummy. Now we are back to the rice. It's exactly 30 minutes since we've been cooking the rice, and guys, trust me, it is ready. See how the rice is dancing very nicely. This is how you want your rice outcome to be. Super fluffy and it smells incredibly awesome. We'll now begin to combine the vegetables together. If you have time on your side, you can even toast batch by batch. The green spring onion I set out earlier on is what we are going to use to garnish it. So once I finish combining it, I will bring in the green spring onion and mix once again. Alright, so if you've been watching my fried rice recipes, I always tell you to allow your frying method to take place for exactly 10 minutes. So I cover the pot and cook for extra 5 minutes after frying for 5 good minutes. 10 good minutes later, the rice is ready. It's super delicious. It smells incredibly amazing. And so this is the end of today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. You're going to serve with anything you want to serve with, avocados, pears, banana. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Until I come your way next time, remember, variety is the spice of life. Stay blessed and love. God bless you. Bye for now.